I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. This matters. Remove soap, mats, and fixtures nearby, then ventilate the space and put on gloves, goggles, and an N95 mask. Next, isolate the peeling area with a drop cloth and painter's tape to protect drains and hardware. Apply a chemical stripper only where needed to lift stubborn paint. Follow product time instructions. Once the surface softens, use a putty knife and scraper to remove loose paint. Be firm but controlled to avoid chipping the tub. Once loose material is gone, sand the bonding area to create a gradual feather from old finish to bare surface. Start with 80 grit to remove high edges, then refine with 120 grit for a smooth transition. Make sure to wipe dust away with a cloth dampened in denatured alcohol. Allow it to dry completely so primers will stick. If you see chips or pits, mix a small amount of epoxy or tub repair filler, apply and level it, then sand smooth after cure. This step ensures a uniform substrate for coating. You now apply an appropriate etching or bonding primer in thin, even layers. This creates adhesion between the repaired surface and top coat. After the primer dries, use a tub-specific epoxy or enamel paint, working in 2 thin coats and following the manufacturer's recommended dry times. Do not rush. Make sure room temperature and humidity match label specs for best cure. If flaking returns, sand the area to bare substrate, reprime, and verify curing conditions. This troubleshooting step fixes most adhesion failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.